Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajingalang patba kabakarpang halor ka Operation Sindur, kalasdang mentakasi ha kaba u Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, Colonel Sofia Qureshi, bat ka Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, kila ay ka jingkren siya kila patay kubor. Kani kalong ha ka jogasngi baka India kala pinjatno ya ka way ka air defense system ha Lahore. Kabade ka jing Jubab hadin ka jing tmu thombor jong ka Pakistan ha kisngi baladep. Haba ay jingkren ha ka tega jing yalang ka Wing Commander ka Vyomika Singh kalaong baha ka miet jong ka hinyo hadu pratarik ubanay jimmang arhaja apusan ka Pakistan kala persyang ban thombor daki drone bat kitiar pinbethay baher na sun yaki jaka badan gi shipay haki benta jong ka North bat ka West India. Ki jaka bala thumu ban thombor ki kintup yaka Awantipura, Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Amritsar, Kapurthala, Nal, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Adampur, Bhatinda, Chandigarh, Phalodi, Uttarlai, bat ka Bhuj. Ka Vyomika kalayatho balala bante lakamno ya kini jing thombor da ka jing trekam ka bashlur jong ka integrated counter UAS grid bat ki air defense system jong ka India. Sho kalaong baki benta basa jong kini ki drone bat tiar pen bethay baher na sun lasdang banyo lum na ki jaka baper ka bapinshisha ya ka jing thumu thombor jong ka Pakistan. Ha ka jo kapor ka Vyomika kalayatho ru ba ka Pakistan kala nangkhlan sho ya ka jing Ther kuli ka ba klemdaw ha ki benta badan u line of control da ka bapindan kam da ki tiar siat ki bakhlan bat ki kali siat ki bahe. Kanie kala ja ha ka than jong ka Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri, Poonch, Mendhar, bat ka Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir. Kalaong bakaladan ru ka jingklat no jong ki hanriungut ki minsim baloy kintup laingut ki kintay bat sangut ki kelung. Na kani ka jing Ther guli jong ka Pakistan. Na ka benta ban pinkut no ya kani ka jing thombor baklem daw. Ka India kalahap ban Jubab da ka bating bat ban penpai kiliang da ka jing pendan kamru da ki tiar siat ki baklan. Bat ki kali ki badan ya ki tiar siat ki bahe. Ki Shipay Indian Armed Force kila penpau syai baki dang yai snap jar bat perkhat ban numpen klanshu ya ka jing ikan at. Henry kani kan long tang lada ka Pakistan ka ithu bat burom ya kani ka jing yasngau jong ka India.
Pakistan attempted to engage a number of military targets in northern and western India using drones and missiles. These places included Awantipura, Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Amritsar, Kapurthala, Nal, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Adampur, Bhatinda, Chandigarh, Phalodi, Uttarlai and Bhuj. These were neutralized by the integrated counter unmanned aerial system and other air defense systems. The debris of these attacks is now being recovered from a number of locations that prove the Pakistani attacks.
पाकिस्तान ने नियंत्रण रेखा पर आकरण गोलीबारी की तीव्रता बढ़ा दी है, जिसमें कुपवाड़ा, बारामूला, उरी, पुंछ, मेंढर और राजौरी क्षेत्रों में मोर्टार और भारी तोपखाने का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है.
Pakistan has increased the intensity of its unprovoked firing across the line of control using mortar and heavy calibre artilleries in areas in Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri, Poonch, Mendhar and Rajouri sectors in Jammu and Kashmir. 16 innocent lives have been lost, including 3 women and 5 children due to the Pakistani firing. Here too, India was compelled to respond to bring mortar and artillery fire from Pakistan to a halt. Indian Armed Forces reiterate their commitment to non-escalation, provided it is respected by the Pakistan military.